Now whenever you open YouTube, then please search JBR online classes and you will find all of our videos. Please subscribe our channel.
Hello students, welcome to JBR online classes. Now today I am going to solve exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3 mainly based the multiplication of between two matrices. So in this video we are going to know how you can multiply two matrices. So here the first one in sum number 1, if A equal to 354 minus 2 and B equal to 24 is the product AB is possible. If possible, then find the value of AB. So first write down here A equal to 354 minus 2. That means it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so write 2 by 2, first one for row and second one for column. Now next one, it's B24, it's 2 by 1 matrix. So first one there will be 2 row here, 2 and 4, so 2 row and 1 column. So now you have to multiply A and B matrix. So here first write down A matrix into B matrix, then write down here the row and column. So write down also here row and column. Now the formula is whenever you multiply two matrix, always remember the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix will be count for the final answer. That means whenever you multiply these two matrices, the final answer always 2 row and 1 column in the final matrix. So here the answer is 2 row, that is 26 and 0, and 1 column, so here 26 0. So the final answer always in the matrix, the new matrix will be in 2 by 1 as for the first one and the second last one. That means if the first matrix is M into N and second matrix is P into Q, then the final answer will be M into Q. Okay, always remember that formula. Now how you can multiply? So so just watch how I multiply these two matrices. So here 3 into 5 are the two elements in the first row. So first, and here the first column. Okay, for you have to consider the first matrix of the first row, and from the second matrix you have to consider the first column. So here first 2 into 3, then plus 4 into 5. Okay, from the first matrix you have to consider the first row, and from the second matrix you have to consider the first column. So now multiply 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5. Now next 2 into 4 into 4 into minus 2, so that equal to 6 plus 20. Now next 8 minus 8, and that equal to 26 0. So here the final answer is 26 0. Now the next one, in sum number 2, if A equal to 2 5 1 3 and B equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 2, find AB and BA, and also show that AB equal to BA. So for A into B, first write down matrix A into matrix B. Now here first row and here first column. So 1 into 2 2, minus 3 into 5, it's minus 15, as plus 50 plus, so plus minus minus. Now next one, first row second column. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 5 10. Now next second row first column. So 1 into 1 and minus 3 into 3 minus 9. Now second row second column. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and 3 into 2 6. So it becomes minus 13 8 minus 8 5. Now next you have to find out BA. So for BA, first write down the B matrix first and then A matrix. So first row first column, then 2 into 1 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Then first row second column, 5 into 1 5, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Next second row first column, so 2 into minus 3 minus 6 and 1 into 2 plus 2. Then 5 into minus 3 minus 15 and 3 into 2 plus 6. So here 1 2 minus 4 minus 9. So that is the value of AB matrix and that is the value of BA matrix, but AB not equal to BA. Next, sum number 4. If A equal to 1 2 2 1 and B equal to 2 1 1 2, find A into B into A. Okay, so that means first you have to find out the value of BA. If you get the value of BA, then you can multiply this with A matrix and you will get the final answer. So first you have to find out the value of BA. To find out the value of BA, first write down B matrix into A matrix. So from BA you can get that 4554, that is the value of BA. Now you have to multiply A into BA. So write down the matrix A matrix into BA matrix. Then multiply 4 into 1 4, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5, 4 into 2 8, 5 4 into 2 8, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 4 into 1 4. So it equal to 14 13 13 14. That is the final answer. Now sum number 6. In sum number 6, evaluate 4 sin 30, 2 cos 60, sin 90, 2 cos 0 into 4554. So all of you know that the value of sin 30, sin 90, cos 60, cos 0. So value of sin 30 equal to half, so 4 into half. Now value of cos 60 equal to also half, so 2 into half. Then sin 90 equal to 1 and 2 into cos 0, cos 0 equal to also 1. So here 2, here 1, so 1 and 2 into 1 2. Now multiply with 4554. So then you will get 13 14 14 13. So your third final answer is 13 14 and 14 13. Now the next one, in sum number 7. In sum number 7, if A equal to -1 3 2 4 and B equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 6, then find the matrix AB plus BA. That means first you have to find out A into B, then again you find out the value of B into A. After that you get these two matrix, then just add it. And you know the formula how you can add two matrix. Just add the element. Okay, just add the element as their place wise. Now next, sum number 8. In sum number 8, if A equal to 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 and B equal to 3 2 minus 2 1, find 2B minus A square. Okay, so 2B minus A square. To find 2B, that means you have to multiply 2 with each and every element of the matrix B. So 2 into B minus A square. A square means, always remember, A square equal to A into A. So that means you have to multiply A matrix 2 times. Okay, A into A. Okay, no need to square each and every element. Okay, A square doesn't mean that you have to square each and every element of the matrix A. To find the A square, that means you have to multiply A matrix with itself. So now next, so first find 2B. So 2 into B, now 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into minus 2 4, minus 4 and 2 into 1 2. And here A matrix into A matrix, so you will find as minus 3 0 0 minus 3. So now you have here 2B minus A square. So here the 2B matrix minus A square, and finally we'll get 9 4 minus 4 5. Now the next one, sum number 11. In sum number 11, A equal to 1021 and B equal to 2 3 minus 1 0, then find A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, that means you have to find out A square, B square and also AB. So for A square means A into A plus AB means A into B plus, and B square means B into B. So for A into A you will get 1041, then A into B you will get 2336, and B square B into B, so 16 minus 2 minus 3. Now here all are in added, so 1 plus 2 plus 1, that equal to 4. Next 0 plus 3 plus 6, that equal to 9. Then 4 plus 3 minus 2, that equal to 5. And 1 plus 6, that means 7. Now 7 minus 3, that equal to 4. So final answer 4954. Now the last one for today. Please subscribe our channel. Always remember, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon. Okay, so here sum number 13. In sum number 13, A equal to 2357 and B equal to 04 minus 17, C equal to 10 minus 14. So AC plus B square minus 10 AC, you have to find out this value. So for AC, that means A into C. So write down A matrix into C matrix, plus B square means write down B matrix into B matrix. Now minus 10C, so 10 into C matrix. So A into C, you will get minus 1, 12, minus 2, 28. B into B, you will get minus 4, 28, minus 7, 45. And 10 into C, so 10, 0, minus 10, 4, 40. Okay, so here plus and minus. So first minus 1 plus minus 4, it's minus 5, and then minus 10. So write down minus 5 minus 10. Here 12 plus 28, and here 0. So write down just 12 plus 28. Next one, minus 2 plus minus 7. That means minus 9. And here minus minus 10. So for minus into minus, that equal to plus 10. The last one, 28 plus 45, that equal to 73. 73 minus 40. So write down here 73 minus 40. So final answer minus 15, 41, 33. Okay. So that is the final answer. Now in the next video, I am going to solve the rest of problems of exercise 8.3. So till now, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.